What's up, Chris here. I'm in Kagoshima, Japan today trying to do some flathead fishing. It's low tide, so I'm planning to fish the shallow waters and then make my way up to the drop-off point where I think I have a higher chance of catching some flathead fish. Now gear-wise, I'm using a Shimano 2500 size reel, 20-pound braid line, and 20-pound fluorocarbon shock leader. Now the lure I'm using today, it's a swim bait lure that's designed to fish the bottom of the beach. And I'll show you the technique once I get to the drop-off point. All right, let's do some fishing. Alright, I made it to the drop-off point. I don't know if you can see it. It's the area up there where the dark blue water is. Now, it's a little bit windy today, but the plan is to cast it over the drop-off point and slowly make my way back. I think there are some bait fishes hanging around the drop-off point, and also hopefully that's where the flathead fish is. Now the technique I'm using today is the reel up slow, stop and drop, reel up slow, stop and drop, keeping the lure on the bottom because that's where the fish like to strike, and we'll see if that works. Alright, it hasn't been biting, so I'm going to move on to the next technique called a pop and drop. Pop the lure up 3 times, let it drop back down on the bottom, then collect your line slack, rinse and repeat. And I'm also going to change the color of my lure.
Here we go. Fish on. There we go. There we go. Got a flathead. Ooh. Fish on.
Well, there you have it, folks. Flathead fishing during the summer months in Japan. Now it's time for some amateur cooking. I'm still an amateur at this, so I'm going to keep it simple, clean it, gut it, cut off the dorsal fins, and mix some sashimi and miso soup, and that's probably it. Alright, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next fishing video. Take care. Bye-bye.